Hey guys, it's me, Nicole. Remember my video called Who Wants a Shout Out? And I finally picked a person. It was this person. If you would see, I don't actually know how to say it, but it's Colombo Cubana Cachachas. And I'm guessing she likes My Little Pony because I saw her channel and I heard that they're new. And this is their paper. Let me show you. Colombo Cubana Cachachas. Colombo Cubana Cachachas, I think. So, if you would search for this person, they commented that they wanted a shout out. So, you got a shout out, and this is for you. Okay, the person that I give the shout out, you earn some subscribers. You earn one subscriber and another one and another one.
So Sensei, now that we're 15,
3 subscribers.
I think we're finally ready to go up to the surface, don't you?
So that's what you earn, and you're gonna earn likes from that 3 subscribers. I'll also make another shout out video, and I'll also do questions. What kind of animals do you like? Do you like dogs, cats, or dogs or cats? So I'll pick a shout out, and my favorite, you have to guess what's my favorite. Dogs, cats, or deers, or fish,
we know you're trying to protect us,
or
but we can't spend our
turtles,
lives hiding down here.
or yeah, you gotta choose. Bye.